Ka Sorkar jela nega sngi kalai kenduk biang bat kinongelam jong harijan panchayat komiti ïakren halor kejingpen kerja no yaki na tem motor. Habakaren berkinong thok kubor uway na kinongelam jong ka HPC ulay yathu mana kaliang jongki kelapan por khat san sngi na Sorkar. Batapo kini ki khat san sngi kinsapa ke jubab syak Sorkar kumno ba kinle. Na kaliang usembut menteri rangba ke jela ba snyo balang dhar habakaren berkinong thok kubor ulay yathu ba kinongelam jong ka HPC kela kerpat yak Sorkar ban aipor khat san sngi bakin yo ïakren para maki. Ba dhar ula benrap na kabaong ba kejingelang kalong ka besaiso bat kumba kalong ka don kejingkermen ba sien kila ban pen no bat ban pen kerja no yaki syaka jaka kaba kila ai. Ulai turu ba nakaliang jong kini kinongilam kila pediang ya ka blueprint kaba Sorkar kala ai syaki bat menta kabasa ka daibet satang para maki bakin yesyong perkhan haswa bakin siem ya karai bat ban jubab syak Sorkar.
We had long discussions on the relocation issue of Yabile. We had today again we had a fruitful meeting, and still certain issues are yet to be addressed, which for that we sought around 15 days time. So after 15 days then we will convey the final decision, and then only the things will be finalized.
What are the main issues that you still have to discuss?
See, that I can't disclose right now, but yes, there are certain issues which we need to discuss.
All right, thank you. And yes, there is slightly few more issues that are yet to be finalized with some of the higher organizations as HPC. And we from the government side, we are agreed to give them 15 days more time. And there will be no more discussion before that. And within 15 days, they will give a final decision, they will communicate the government. So as of today meeting is a very, very positive thing, I would like to inform you. Yes, decision may last 2 days, it should be the last 2 days, but since there is few issues, so the issue is very simple. They want to take everyone on board. So they request the government, kindly give us at least 15 days from 2 days itself. So they will discuss some more higher organizations for this LGBT and SGPC. So then they will communicate the government whether positive or negative decision. But we are very, very hopeful it should be a positive decision.
So what are the points that government has raised? What are
But everything blueprint is there.
but they have not said yes till now for the relocation.
They need some more issues to discuss between them. So within 15 days you will be getting a final decision from them.
Are they happy with the blueprint?
Yes, they are very much happy. Very much happy. They are very much happy with the blueprint.
So what is the major issue that they still need to discuss with?
No more issues. Almost all issues has been discussed, which went in the right directions, obviously. And the issues is that they will please give us. We need some few higher organization, the Panji meeting only. So we have to give them. So the time is fixed 15 days from today.
So the next meeting will be
no more meeting, they may communicate it only. As there is a meeting, no problem, we can have meeting, but no more meeting beyond 15 days. Within 15 days we will finalize everything.
means within August only we
Just count from 15 days, what? Maybe 26, 27 only. That is the date, I think. But a very realistic form.
So, but isn't there a fear that, from outside, because they're going to seek help, or the others' view also, what if there's an interference or some sort of interference is being made here, so there'll be a hindrance to the decision making here?
You see, like this, the discussion between the government and the Harijan committee, there will be no outsider will be listened to them. It's a purely discussion between the Harijan committee and the government itself. It's totally their responsibility fully.